Hello my dear children, I welcome you all in this craft video. Today's topic is paper envelope. Paper envelopes are very useful, so you can make your own envelope using different material available at home. So let's begin. Take square paper like this. Any color square paper you can take for envelope. Now first step, you will fold your paper like this. Okay, this way you will fold your paper. Make a crease like this. Now open it. Now this down corner you will fold up like this on this crease. Okay, now this corner you will fold like this and press it nicely. All right children. Now next step, again this corner you have to fold inside this way. Clear? Now press it nicely. Okay. Now turn it over like this, and this corner, this down corner, you will fold up like this on this crease. Okay. Clear children? Now again open it, and these two corners you will fold like this. Press it nicely. Now this down corner, you will fold this down corner like this. Press it nicely. From the both side you will fold. दोनों तरफ से फोल्ड करना है आपको. Clear? Now this corner you will fold up like this. Neatly you will fold. Okay. Now fold it up, and this part, this corner you have to paste inside like this. Okay children. So now here, this corner you will apply little bit glue. Here I am using Fevicol. If you have any type of glue, you can use. Okay children. Now press it nicely. Clear? Now children, easy and simple envelope is ready. Now if you want to decorate this envelope, so you can cut this type of star from glitter sheet and paste here like this. And if you want to decorate it more, then you will take one more sheet like this and fold it like this. Now take safety scissor like triangle, and take safety scissor and cut it. Very slowly you will cut it. Okay children, and you will use only safety scissors. This way you will fold paper. Now children, do you know how to make fan? अब हम लोग इसका fan बनाएंगे. We will make fan with this paper. Okay. Now fan is ready. Next step, you will fold this fan like this. Now this corner you will apply glue and paste both the part like this. Let it dry for 2 minutes. Now you will get this type of leaf. Now take your envelope. At the back side of this envelope, apply glue and paste this leaf. So your easy and simple envelope is ready. Okay children. So both sides you can decorate your envelope. Clear? Clear children? So that's all for today. You can make more envelope like this. Thank you children. Bye.